哇，这也太好了！
Hey guys, so you must have watched the WOW video from Stanford Behavior Group, and you must curious about why they are WOW. So today I'm gonna unfold the mask for you and get you the logic and the magic behind the WOW video. So right now in front of you is the word most, not only photorealistic but also physically realistic kitchen scene simulation. There are over 200 assets here that you can play with, and I'm gonna try some fascinating stuff for you, and you can play, in this environment by yourself later. So today, I'm gonna introduce the refrigerator first. So we can open up the door of the refrigerator. You can also get the drawer out. You can see it actually push the door of the refrigerator back. And also, here we actually get a hinge inside of the refrigerator to make this rotatable. Okay, so you can also see the microwave. Okay, we can also open up the microwave door. Let's get closer. So the bottom here actually is rotatable. And what's more fascinating is the plate inside the microwave. Just like the real world, it's rotatable. And also there's an oven. We can get it open. Pull the plate out. Alright, it needs some angle. And there is also, let's see, the mesh here. And in the morning you can have a robot get a coffee for you, just like this. And the bottom here can be rotate, right? And also the bottom here can be pushable. Okay. And also the robot can make a bread for you, just like this. You can see the elasticity here. And normally, so in our kitchen scene, these are a set of cookers here. But actually, each of them in this scene is interactive. And on the handle of each, there are also holes that can enable this stuff to get hand on the wall. And we can also do a challenge here. So what about let's put the cap of the pot inside of the drawer right here. Okay, so let's try it. Let's open the drawer first. And we get the pot out and try to put inside of the drawer. And then we close it up. Alright, we make it. Okay, and also there's some plate and bowls. So really the bowl in other simulation environments is actually one set, but here each of the bowl is movable, interactive. You can see. And also what's more, something fascinating here is just like the real world, you need some angle to put out the knife. Actually here, we also need some angle to put out the knife. Try to do it very carefully, and we get it placed on the table. Right. So here what we are gonna look at is the oven that is wowed by the team from Stanford. Let's open it up and get the table out of it. Let's see the mesh here. You see, it's very articulated. It's very handcrafted. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to introduce for you guys. And actually, there, as I said before, there are over 200 objects that you can play with. So why don't you just put your robot inside or get your mouse inside to play with these environments and see. You can do some benchmarking, you can do robot training, all kinds of stuff. And please leave any feedback for the video and also for the open source project from Lightwheel. And we are trying to make the community better and better. And we're gonna make more open source projects for the whole industry. All right, see you there.